Okay, so this is the that software. It's called apartments.com. You can see it right here. This is my little home office, so ignore the punching bag in the background. But okay, so I only have one property that I have as a setup as a long-term rental. So this is kind of what it looks like. As you can see here, it says rental manager view. This is a completely free software where you can put your property here and click on properties, and I kind of see here. Click on the address. I don't have any pictures or anything set up because I already had a tenant, and I didn't use this from the beginning. But it's a 4 bedroom, 4 bath, and so you can put like it does a lot of things for you. Description of the property. You can put here the pictures. Use these pictures to push it onto like it pushes it to like I was kind of saying yesterday, Zillow, that type stuff. So this is what their website looks like, and it's a really big website where they're able to really put it in front of a lot of eyes. So I mean, it pushes it in a lot of websites. I'm not too sure off the top of my head, but that's the website too that you can kind of just see before you get set up. But kind of going back to the user view, you can put like here credits, a lot of information about the property. Now let me go to the rental tools over here. You can also have applications. So these are where people can put in applications and then they can send it to you. And literally it puts the payment and everything on the tenant so that they pay like $25. And then you get to check their credit. You get to check their background, criminal history, like you see everything. I've done that before, and so you can really screen a tenant. Let me go here. You can also track payments, and you can set up the automated payments. And like I said, to where it is just it's free, so it doesn't charge you anything. You literally just kind of get it. You can see here the payments. You just completely get it into your bank account. Like there's no fees or anything. No fees for the tenant. Nothing. As long as you set it up. I think connected to your bank account, you'll be completely like it's all free. I don't think that there is any charges if you do it otherwise. But there's a lot of information on the website about that. But other than that, you can also see your residence. This is also where you can put like their leases. I mean, in a nutshell, this is just a really good video for just their just the whole process for getting a long-term tenant in the rental, and it allows them to be on like an auto pay, which is something that I require from the tenants. Them just be on an auto pay, so that it gets automatically deducted from their account, and you just avoid the whole issue of like, oh, it's going to be late or this and that. And like literally one time it was late. I didn't even do anything about it. The system itself charged them a late fee, and then they paid on time, and I never said a word. The whole system did everything for me. So like as soon as they saw that late fee come in, they didn't even call me to ask, oh, can I get that late fee on this or that, because they understood from the beginning that the system was going to charge them, and that I made it clear to them about late fees that they pay late. So that happened once, and then everything was good to go after that. But that's kind of a little overview of this software. And what I like, obviously, is that it's free. So, alrighty.